Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to make this cute ghost decoration. First we'll use our wood plate and add in our ribbon through the hole. I'm pulling it through and then tying a good knot because this is what we're going to use to hang it with. Next we're going to take all of our rope and add it to the wood base with hot glue in kind of an arch. I'm using the longest rope on the outside that goes the whole way into the shortest rope in the middle. You can choose to do outside in or inside out. My middle was a little tight, so sometimes you have to shove it in a little bit, but it should all fit fine. Once that was finished, I took my black felt and cut out the face. You can really do any type of face. I made my ghost kind of sad, but you could do a happy ghost, you could do a scary ghost. It's up to you and the type of ghost you want to make. Once all of that was cut out, I placed it on my rope piece, and then I figured out where I wanted it and glued it down. So cute. Now I'm going to unravel all of the strings at the bottom to give more of a free-flowing piece. So I'm going to start by untangling it up to where the wood base is. And I just kept doing that the whole way through all of the ropes. And once you finish that, you've got a completed ghost. How cute is this? Perfect for Halloween.